In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unpin a post on Threads account. So if you had published any post and it is pinned and you wish to unpin it, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. The first thing is to open your Threads app, and I'll open my app here and then go to your profile to see all the posts that you have. To go to your profile, tap on your profile icon here, and this will list all the posts that you have on your Threads account. As you can see, I have here a pinned post and I wish to unpin it. Usually if you pin a post, it will override all the other posts and it will always be shown on top. As you can see, this was posted 1 hour ago and this is 2 minutes ago. However, the 1 hour ago is on top because it is pinned, and you can see it has a pin here. To unpin it, just tap on these 3 lines next to it and we have an option to unpin it. If I tap on unpin, now you can see the post has been unpinned and now it has moved lower because it was the last post published and not the latest. So that's how you can unpin a post from your Threads account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.